Cheesecake.
Somebody came all the way up here. Let me see. Oh shit.
Wow, snow!
I hope we're gonna get back.
Oh my god! Love! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Sis! Pretty.
You're so pretty. Oh, nice. I'm doing video now, yeah. What video?
Wait.
Run! Nice. Oh my god.
Sheesh! Woo! So sick. Snowball. No! What? Oh my god. Hello. Ah! How dare you? Ow! Slushy.
And they got him there too, you see. Ay, caramba.
Ready?
No. Allá. Ready.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, go.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Give him a spell.
Nice spell.
Ow!
Yes, yes, you're right. Oil. Go.
Get easy. We need pout.
Then you throw it.
Okay.
Roll it.
Ah! Okay.
But it doesn't even.
Oh shit. Yay! One more. Wow! Oh shit. Ah, ganun ah. Ay, how did you do that? I can't do it. Sobrang ganda. Huwag mo akong iwan. Stupid. Stupid. Okay. Lamig. Can you see me, guys? Can you see me? Is it fine?
Yeah.
I wanna see.
Okay.
So go get it.
What is this? Silent duo or something big.
So heavy. Oh! Oh my god! It escaped!
Yeah.
Shit!
She was a good one too.
Yee!
How did he fucking escape? She was big.
Can you show me the bag?
Why is he so pale?
Huh?
Very pale. You're taking video?
Yeah.
Am I allowed to talk?
Yeah, sure.
This treadmill, find the point where you're hitting the bottom. Point, point, point.
it's heavy. Oh shit. Ow, this is not my side. My left arm. My elbow. It's weak. I should have. No, it's been frozen for many years now. It's been frozen. It's heavy. I mean, fresh. You see it? Ooh! Too small. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see from the camera?
I don't know. Probably. Love.
You got fish too? It's whoa! Wow! Oh yeah, it's really big. Nice.
That's big.
Wow! Look
Shit,
at my
that's
fish too.
The biggest hunts I've seen in my life now, I guess.
Wow.
See?
Yeah.
It's fucking big. Like slowly.
This one too. Wow, big fish, big Thanos.
It's probably the biggest one ever. Holy shit.
It's now recording?
Yes. And there is a big fish under us. A very big fish. That's really big. What the fuck was that? Holy shit. Can't reach the bottom here. I'm out of line.
Shit, it's heavy.
Well, good luck. It's 100 meters down now. You're like, 20% down.
Not sure.
Can I see? Let's look. Yeah. Wanna try some jigging?
What's jigging?
So you have squid with bait, your fish. Have fun. It's 60 meters.
Oh.
80. Huh? Huh? How? Can I go a bit shallower again? Can you reel up a little? How? I don't get it. You can hold it there. Just hold it. Oh,
My eyes.
it's gonna turn on its own.
Okay, fine.
It's very. Hey guys, today in a fishing pole. Oi. Oi.
So no fish.
Probably not.
Why not just keep it? Can I move around?
You can do whatever you want. Hello guys.
It's recording.
Oh, fishing in it, Paul. By so you how's it going?
Liit?
Three.
My
Oh,
god!
three different
But it's
fish.
so liit! Oh! Yeah, 3 different things.
Did you take any video of the fish?
Not yet.
What you gonna bring up? Oink.
Small fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stop feeding me. Leave me alone.
Me too, me too.
Flour. Much less red. We can't touch you anymore.
Oh shit.
Like,
I have to go back. Shit.
let's go back to the car and try to find some.
Are we gonna do it? Where are we going?
Where are you pulling?
Are we gonna take the road? Okay.
Yeah, okay. This one.
What's that?
Shit.
Panggit. No. I don't know.
Tell me the way. Take us back to the car.
I don't know lah. And I don't know which way we gonna buy.
Your way.
I think here. So genius. Oh, there's the car. I see. Huh? Mushroom. This one?
It's a bearded. I've ever known. Don't know where it ends, but it's only me and I walk alone. Da-da, 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 down, 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 down. I walk alone, I walk
Where are we going? Is that a chapel, love? Is this the church? Ah, okay. Oh, nice. Oh my god. Like every year? When? Summer. You always go here too, yearly. Oh, nice. Uh-huh.
is tiny, tiny.